To change theme on the Samsung Galaxy S25, start by opening settings. Now you will have to start scrolling for themes. And right here I can recommend you to click on the right upper corner and input this phrase, "Do don't pay for it." So you'll get actually some free themes. You can also click here and change from popular to top 3. And as you can see right now, you don't have to actually pay for all of these themes. You can just tap on any that you like, and then you can click download. Now just wait for this downloading process. It will actually take around a few moments, and you can click apply. And now just wait for it. It will take around a few seconds, and you will be able to find out that you've got completely new theme on your Samsung S25, and that's how it actually looks. As you can see, it's changing, in this case, wallpaper, font, and icons. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.